ibtutovids. I'm Jordan Dermaz, and this is what words are included and what words are excluded from the word count of the extended essay. And this is going to be a short little video on what word should you include and what word should you exclude when you are counting up your word count for your EE. Now, here it says intro, body, conclusion. That's the essence of your essay. All that's included, including subtitles and that kind of thing, you will have throughout your essay. Next is quotations. Now, quotations, some teachers and professors may not count quotations towards your word count, but IB does. It is part of your essay. And non-reference foot and endnotes. So anything that contains really information, like written information, and it's pertinent to your essay. Now, excluded, and this is very important to know what's excluded, because you don't want to count wrong necessarily, and you also don't want to count over. Like if you have too many words, that's a bad thing. IB is told not to read it past a certain word count. So we're going to go over what's excluded. Your table of contents, your maps, charts, and etc. Like etc. meaning tables and that kind of thing. Your equations, calculations, formulas for science or math, EEs. Citations. Now, citations is not referring to that necessarily. It's your parenthetical citations, it's your foot and endnote citations. Your bibliography does not count. And your RPPF, which is your reflections on planning and progress form, does not count. So, in a way, it's kind of common sense, but it's important to know. You don't want to accidentally include a map and then write a reference number to it and then think that's not counted, because IB is told not to read it past a certain point. And on that note, let's talk about the 4,000 word max. Because this is a maximum, this means you can go under. Teachers have told me they've seen successful essays with 2,500. But it's really important that you write as much as you want to, as much as you can, as much as you can put out. What I've done for mine is I've written over, or I'm planning on writing over 4,000 words. And then I'm going to go back and see what I can cut down, see what I can edit. But just as long as I type out all the information I know, and I can get a concise conclusion, I can edit it down to what I need. And I recommend you do the same. Thank you. Have a great day.